look, there are many people who second guess or have advice for the Federal Reserve. I can assure you, having gone to FOMC meetings for 20 years, that politics does not enter the room, that we really come in with the mandate that Congress has given us in terms of price stability and maximum employment, and it's within that framework and the analysis that we do and the information we gather from our contacts, consumer side, labor side, business side, and we make the best policy decisions we can.
Do you feel that the most senior politician in the world criticizing the actions of the Federal Reserve after they've just made a measure to stabilize hopefully stabilize the economy and the markets is unhelpful?
I mean, I think that's for other people to judge, not me.
I knew that you'd be very diplomatic anyway as well, so Jeff.
So there are a lot of people forecasting that the Fed is now heading to the zero bound. Does that resonate in your mind with where you expect interest rates to go over the rest of the year?
So I think we really have to evaluate where we think the economy is going. Right. As I said, I think that growth will be reduced in the U.S. in the first half of the year. I mean, we're in the third month of the first quarter, and we've just saw the beginning of this coronavirus. So, the first half of the year. But how it plays out really is going to depend on how the disease progresses, and there's a lot of unknown around that. So I can't answer that question at this point.
So let me ask you, is it time for the president to suspend the trade wars?
Well, I think there's a number of things that fiscal authorities can do to help instill confidence. You can imagine that workers who aren't, able to sort of work from home are going to be more affected by the shutdown and activity that we're seeing already. Right, there are things that you can do there. Small businesses and medium-sized businesses who, are less able to handle reduced activity for a time. There are things that can help from the fiscal side there, and just research and development on the vaccines, things to make sure that there's health care available. So there are many things that could be done. Well, I mean, that's a separate issue, right?
At this time.
Right. I mean, that's a separate issue. That has a longer run implication for the economy, right? Right now, right, the focus has to be on containing the virus as best we can, right? Making sure health care is available and making sure that, all resources are brought to bear to sort of shore up, right, businesses and consumers and households that are most affected.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.